Hi guys, I just found a new brush. It's called the image brush. Look, here's how to use it. So first you import your picture. So I'm gonna click this one, and you can adjust it. I'm just gonna leave it where it was. Okay, and now let's just put this on white. You need to put it on white and white only. And then after you've done it, look at what you got. Look, if I click undo, it still says brush stroke. So it's still a brush stroke. I found an interesting bug here. If you put it on another color that is not white, you just get this weird abomination of an image. So yeah, make sure to put it on white. But because if you put it on black, it will also be like this. So yeah, I hope this helped.